Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Head into your favorite city, New York. All right, y'all, so come on. We about to go explore New York City and see what's popping this holiday season. Y'all know I got this on because my hair is straightened. And of course, it's raining. All right, y'all, so just landed in New York. Super, super excited to see all the holiday lights here and get into some vegan food. So y'all come along on the journey of exploring New York City during the holiday. Let's go. All right, y'all, here's the hotel room. Square footage is really not that big, but it is the Times Square edition, one king size room, which you really pay for in these Times Square hotels. It's location, it's convenient. 7th Ave is right over there. You can see, you know, all the billboards, and it's not too many people out right now, not super crowded, which is good. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's perfect. Anyways, this is where I am checking in from, so I will see y'all. Broadway. So I went to go see the piano lesson, and it was so good. The cast did an amazing job bringing this play to life, y'all. I felt like I was in the play. Walking down your favorite street in New York City, 7th Avenue. It's not super touristy right now, but then again, I'm getting closer to the heart of it all. I'm coming from like the 50 numbers and I'm going into the 40s. Somebody's trying to call me to buy something, but you know, I just ignored them. Sometimes you just gotta keep walking in New York. You ain't got time to stop at everybody, because then they gonna get you. That's how they get you. Anyways, it's so pretty out here, y'all. And the weather, surprisingly, y'all, it's like 50s. So I have on like a light jacket and then a light top. And this is like incredible weather for New York at this time of the year. So this is fun, this is cool. I love New York. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till I can live here. We're getting close to the heart of it all. Okay, whoa there. Look at y'all. I can't make this stuff up. I can't. Headed over to the Lincoln Center to go to a restaurant in there. It's called Tatiana. It's by Chef Kwame Awachi, who is my cousin. It's a whole vibe in there. So if you are in New York City, make sure you go ahead and check out that restaurant. And back at Times Square. Back in the streets of your favorite city. Let's see what's about to go on today. Definitely about to go get some vegan food and see more of the lights. So come along and let's go. My hair. Vegan on the Fly is a restaurant that I love. I will always go to this restaurant when I visit New York. It's on 45th, and y'all, the food is so good. I had their buffalo wings with ranch sauce, bomb, and then I had their jerk chicken platter, amazing. Now, this was the most dynamic Nike store I have ever been in. This joint had 4 floors of Nike, which is sick. Meet me at Legos. This is a nice Nigerian spot. I had the Lekki Margarita. Love their drink names. They all had to do with Nigeria. Then I had their bean patties. So good. Now, if you watched my last vlog when I was in New York, I wanted a sketch artist to draw me so bad, y'all. So bad. And as you can see here, once he started with that chin, he was messing up. And the person behind the camera did wrong because they ain't say nothing. They were saying, oh, you doing good. No. And then whose nose is that, y'all? Whose nose is that? Because it ain't mine. I don't know what he's looking at. He must be looking past me. Because my nose is not shaped like that. And yes, all right, he got the hair. I ain't gonna hold you. He got the hair pieces. You know, I had flyaways and stuff. But baby, that chin and nose, I don't know who that is. He got the turtleneck. He looking at me when he got the turtleneck. And then I'm like, okay, he got the turtleneck. And then I'm like, all right, he getting my jacket. That's definitely me. But baby, I do not know who this man drew. And I'm trying to dispute the charge. I can look. Oh my God, who is that? That's me?
Yeah, beautiful, huh?
Oh my God, who would have thought? Got the hairline and everything. Nose, I don't know who nose that is, or lips. But the outfit and the hair, that's me for sure. That's me for sure.
Okay, Elsa.
I've been said many times, many ways.
Did some ice skating at Bryant Park. Look, Rockefeller, look, if you ain't got your tickets ahead of time, you ain't going, all right? So go ahead and head over to Bryant Park. People been talking about, oh yeah, I'm from New York now. I'm from New York. But if you a New Yorker, you just cross the street. When you cross the street, you ain't waiting. You ain't waiting for no walk sign. Little punk fraud. One thing you're going to see in New York is a Christmas tree in every single establishment. This the library, y'all. This the library. They doing it like that. Okay, and the lights are just so pretty, y'all. Saks, they do their lights. They do a light show, but it's like earlier in the day. I don't know what time, but they do a light show, you know, where the lights go blinking along with the music. So you're going to want to do that if you in New York. And then it's season 2 Believe in, y'all. This is a season 2 Believe in. If you don't believe in nothing else, believe in this season. This little tacky thing was right across from Cartier. It's giving money. It's giving rich. It's giving luxury. It's giving New York during the holidays. It's so beautiful, y'all. It's so beautiful. I love the lights. I love the busyness of the season. I love just how bright this season can be. So I hope you all choose brightness and joy during the holiday season. All right, y'all. Hold on. I ain't done yet because I had to give me some breakfast. And baby, your girl picked the right spot because UT47, this vegan panini, this vegan BLT, snapped. Okay, I will go back there any day. Vegan food in New York is fire, y'all. It's real fire. Anyways, y'all, had to see the Lena Horne Theater. And that's it. I hope y'all have a happy holiday season. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog.